Good morning, my dear friends. Thank you so much for clicking on today's vlog. Today is a Saturday here in the Netherlands, and while the weather is so nice and gloomy and all wintry, all I want to do is just sit on the couch and do nothing and be absolutely lazy. We kind of save those type of days for our Sundays, and Saturdays is all about going out, having fun, running the errands, basically trying to balance it all in a day. There's our Valentine's Day's decoration which we have to clean up later on, but basically our Saturdays is mostly about balancing, having some fun and also getting some errands done and also relaxing a little bit, watching movies. Whatever I do, of course I'll be taking you guys along with me. So let's get this day started. We have a lot of stuff at home that we need to donate. I'm always surprised, as a family of 3 with a young child living in this country only for 3 years, how do we always manage to pack one whole big IKEA bag of stuff to donate when we just came here with just suitcases and like no stuff. But as life goes on, you keep accumulating so much stuff. But one good thing here is that you can just come off to one of the second hand or thrift shops and just donate everything, and then it is out of your sight, out of your mind. But being in the Netherlands, I think I should learn more about sustainability and trying to not create so much clutter that I have to come here at least every other 2 weeks to come and donate stuff. So that is something to keep in mind. Done with one errand of the day, which was to drop the stuff at the donation center. Also, I looked at a few other things, got a few things for the house, so it was a successful trip. And the next errand of the day is actually going for a car wash. But I actually like doing this because in India we always had someone to come and clean the car, but this is like the automatic car wash where your car goes inside, and because we have a sunroof, we can actually see how it gets cleaned from the top, all the different colors. So call me a kid, but I like watching my car being washed in the automatic car wash centers. Let's go. That can't be a cool experience. The most interesting is when there are different lights and then काय बोलतात झागला इंग्लिश मध्ये? Yeah. The most amazing is when the foam comes out in all different colors, and obviously it is not the color of the foam, but they have put some lights there which makes it look very interesting. Even my 3-year-old is not as excited to see that as I am, but as I said earlier, you can call me a kid. I love doing this. But now, back to being a parent, back to being an adult. We have to go home and cook some food because that is also a part of the weekend. So let's do that. So it's been a while since we last spoke. I slept, I did a lot of errands around the house, I had my tea, and now we are out for our evening walk. Me and my husband were having a very interesting conversation today, and he said, what is it that you are going to vlog about today? And I said, my day-to-day life. And he's like, oh, there is nothing new that we are doing. And I was like, I don't do things to vlog, I vlog the things that I actually do. And this is mainly because just like everybody else's life, my life also has a lot of errands to be run on the weekend, lot of things that I need to do as a wife, as a mother, and also like run a complete household. There are a lot of things that I have to get done. But what I'm trying to show through my vlogs is that amongst all of that, we should never forget that to have fun, to also enjoy, because that is the most important part of the weekend. And I think through my vlogs I show only those things, so that you can also think about your life and what are those fun little moments. Hi. Yeah, fun little moments that you have in your life, whether it's on the weekend or on your day off or in general day-to-day life, that you can think and reflect and enjoy. One such enjoyment activity for us every weekend is to go on our walks and see our horses. But these are not our horses, these are horses of the people who are actually staying in our neighborhood. But it is nice to just relax and have this time for ourselves where we are thinking of nothing, just enjoying this cozy, beautiful weather, a family walk, a weekend family walk. Hi baby. Hi. नाही बोलायचं का रे? काय झालं? काय झालं तुला? बाय बाय. It's always nice to see those horses, and I think now they know us, that every time I walk from here, when I go near that horse, it comes to me. Anyways, I have now put up my cap and my scarf and my gloves and everything because it is freezing cold. Contradictory to popular opinions of loving summer here, I love the winter. I'm actually sad that in a few weeks winter is going to get over, and you cannot have me convinced any otherwise that summer is better than winter. I'm literally sad that winter will get over. Hence, no matter what the weather, in fact, to actually enjoy this weather, I come out during the winter seasons to walk, because in a couple of weeks it will be spring and then summer, and then I will not to get to like cozy up like this in bundle of clothes and then walk around us. When we moved here, people told me that, oh yeah, this is your first year, that's why you kind of love the winters, but give it 2-3 years and then you will see. Well, it has been 3 years and I still like winter. I'm a winter person. I love winter. Not that I have any problem with summer, but if you ask for a favorite season, it is definitely going to be winter for me. And yes, I'm the exception who's actually sad for winter to get over soon. So I'll take in as much as possible until then through these walks, and also show you guys the winter in Netherlands through my vlogs. That rhymed.